So we're going to install this magnet for the door. Got it in the Home Depot online. So this is the magnet. So this has, it's beveled on one side, so that's going to go opposite. You're going to screw it in from the beveled side. This has two dots. I guess that's going to prevent it from turning around, moving around. So we're going to install this. Comes with 3 screws, 2 for the sides, and this one for the metal plate. This one is the beveled. These are flat heads. So the way we're going to do it is this goes onto the door like that on the top. This one goes on the door, the beveled side. So this is going to go on the top, and that's how it's going to look. So we're going to install it like this together. So we'll keep the door closed. We're going to install it with a metal plate on it. This has the right depth of where it's supposed to be. So first we'll put in this one. So this is what it's going to be. So now we can just put it in. Just put in the screw on the beveled side. And just put in the screw on the beveled side. Tighten it up, and that's it. And it's in its right spot. Thanks for watching.